first edition of Your Food, My Way. If you're expecting something professional, you may want to go to the next video. But if you want to see somebody good chance injuring themselves trying to cook dinner for their family. Now this video is, the recipe I'm making is called Bobotie. It actually came, the video I found it off of was TylerTravelsTV, and I'll put a link to the video and his channel down below. But he got it out of Kitchen Magic with Mickey. It's a Disney recipe, and he discussed it, and I'm going to say it too. I have no earthly idea if Bobotie is how it's pronounced, but that's what we're calling it. Now, I tried to get everything ready. I am not a get a ready ahead of time type of guy, I can tell you that right now. As a matter of fact, I literally have one decent knife. I can't find it. Used for everything in this house. Now we're going to actually do something. Can't find it. What I'll tell you, I want to cut up my onion. Now I'm not going to give you the recipe because Tyler Travels TV, that's his thing. I'm not trying to teach you how to cook. I'm simply going to make these recipes I found. I mean, YouTube is full of them. Tons of recipe books, and I want to see how they are. I'll tell you right now, if you watch many of these videos, I will cut myself. My knife skills are crap. I don't know what a pinch is, a dash, all that nonsense. So when I say I'm winging this, brother, I am winging this. I don't even qualify as a home cook, let alone a professional. So if you're complaining about my cuts, my stuff ain't even, I don't care. Get used to it. Now this dish is actually South African. Now I've had enough burgers in my time, so we're going to make dishes from around the world. And I know if you're Giada or Bobby Flay, they get on to me for turning my back to the camera, but I'm literally reading off of a recipe here. Tell me you don't love that. My son. Come in. Say hi. I was going to say there's no chance that I'm finishing this without somebody coming through that door. I figured it'd be grandson, but apparently just son. Oh, back to my, come on, that's adorable. Right now, heating up oil. Going to, I guess it's saute some onions. When I started, the one is, Lisa always laughs about when I do things like this. Her one instruction was, oh, you gonna make a video? I said, yeah. She said, don't show the whole kitchen. It's nasty. I don't have a studio. I don't have studio lights. As a matter of fact, I forgot to turn my light on. So let me do that real quick. It may blow out, it may be easier to see. We'll find out. I'm looking straight at it now, I can't see. Again, this is a home kitchen. I'm using lights, shop lights out of my garage. Oh, my eyes are watering here. While that's sauteing, I'm going to get my cumin and cinnamon ready. One of the things I hate doing is looking for spices in my cabinet. So it's just always easier to buy a new deal of spice. Didn't have to search for them. I bought a new deal of cinnamon last night for this. I bet I got 9 of them up there. I go for easy. Preheat my oven here to 325. It's weird when you actually have to change your oven because almost everything is 350. Get my 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and half a teaspoon of cumin. Told you, stink at this. I guarantee I've spent more on this table than I actually got in the measuring cup. I put a GoPro right over the stove. First of all, I figure it's going to steam up. Second of all, I figure I'm going to have an onion smelling GoPro for the rest of my life. Add my spices, maybe get some of that strong onion smell out of here. My eyes are hurting. That smells like French toast. An oniony French toast, but French toast still. Now, it's supposed to be 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, but I couldn't find any. So we are using apple cider vinegar. And it calls for 2 pounds, but I couldn't find it where they sold it by the pound, and closest I got 2.5 pounds. If we get a little extra, I don't feel like anybody's going to be upset. To give you some idea how unprofessional this is, you just heard my son come in the middle of it. He's got a date. He's got a girlfriend, and he wants to take her out since he doesn't have a job. Good chance a dog is going to walk through here too. While that's browning, get my 1 cup of heavy cream ready. And I got to tear up my bread. Dang, I may have to get my knife. Yeah, I'm a professional. Y'all don't see that. Hey, it don't take long for that bread to get stale. Been sitting out a couple minutes. You know, you don't see Gordon Ramsay get interrupted in the middle of making a meal by a child asking if they go pay on a tractor. Turn that meat up a little bit. That's taking a little while. Okay, now. And let's see what else I can get ready while I'm waiting. 1/4 cup of sugar. Alright, what's the French term for it? Mise en place, everything in order here. Now we wait. I almost need a bigger pan. Now I have to get rid of some of this excess grease. And I've lost my spoon. There it is. We actually save grease because we have a pork coochie. He's about 10 years old, and he likes it on his food. Bacon grease is his favorite. What's funny is my wife started doing it because she felt sorry for him because he, has trouble getting around and all that. But if we give him food without grease, without flavoring, he looks at us like such indignation. Like, how dare we? I want to leave about a tablespoon of this grease because I'm going to add the breadcrumbs in a minute, and I don't want it to dry out. Don't think I'm being all chefified. Those are part of the instructions. I'm making a pig's ear out of this. I'm seriously going to start a fire here with this grease in a second. I need a bigger spoon. Try it with a measuring cup. Yeah, I'm starting a fire. I'm done. All right. Good Lord. I got smoke boiling everywhere. Now throw in my breadcrumbs. Bread crumbles, I guess. And my heavy whipping cream. I love whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. I'm a big fan of making my own whipped cream with it. Better flavor. Throw a little vanilla in there or orange extract. And my sugar. It don't look like it's too dry, so I think the dog's going to have a big helping of grease. So he won't give me that look next time I go to feed him. Okay, now the next part is interesting. The recipe has a list of ingredients, and it lists raisins, sugar, all the things I put. But it does not list almonds. Now at this stage, the instructions say add the raisins and almonds. That was not in the list of ingredients. If it is, I've overlooked it 100 times. How much? Quarter cup each. So what I'm trying to say is we're missing out on the almond experience. From listening to the video, I get the idea the two different raisins are a matter of taste. And I'm not a big raisin fan to begin with, but I'm gonna try it. Now, season to taste. I'm bad about that. I never know what to taste means. I guess till you like it. Sometimes I have people in my house that love salt, whereas I'm strictly a pepper person. But I'm cooking. My decision. Now, we're going to put this in a pan. It says 9 by 9. I honestly didn't measure. I don't know what this is, but that's what it's getting. Right now, it looks like I have made a big bowl of mush. But I have faith in the mush. I say this may be 8 by 8. We may be pushing it with the topping here. Well, that and the fact I did put extra meat in. That may come back to bite me. Oh. Need my 3 eggs. Oh man, I was seriously fixing to just brag. So Lisa gets on to me for cracking eggs on the bowl. Well, what happens if you get shell in it? Oh, I won't get shell in it. Nobody tell her I did that. In my defense, I was trying to rush. Yeah, some more heavy whipping cream if I can pour it without, it's a puddle on the floor. Since it's pretty much a custard minus sugar. I'm so upset. I used to have a really cool whisk and the handle was a giraffe. I don't know where it went. When you got 4 daughters that cook, pretty sure one of them got a whisk at their house. Now, good Lord willing, I'm gonna pour that over that. Man, that pan is full. That extra meat may have been pushing my luck. All right. 40 to 45 minutes. With about half my mixture just poured on the bottom of the oven. I pushed my luck. All right, here we are in the aftermath. My first attempt at Your Food, My Way. Just a note, while I was cleaning up, while I was cooking, Lisa came in, saw the spilled cream all over the floor. But the real question is, how'd it turn out? It looks pretty. We're gonna let it cool down, give it a taste. If I don't go into convulsions, I may actually feed it to my family. But I think it turned out looking pretty good. So this was Bobotie from TylerTravelsTV. Again, I'll put his link to his channel and everything down below if you want to try it. Smells great. All right, tune in next time and we'll do it again. All right, just a quick footnote on the Bobotie. I took a bite of it and it tasted like a sweet meatloaf, and I was like, okay. By the time I finished that little piece, all I could think of is, when can I make this again? That was delicious. The sweet, the raisins in it and the sugar.
Can I try?
Yeah, you want some? Wonderful. So this made the menu.